Hi guys, this is Sakushini. If you don't know me, I have to keep my voice really low because it's legit 3 a.m. at the night in the night now. It's been I think over 150 days. By this time I have lost count of the days that I am in quarantine at home, and I'm just so bored of watching Netflix throughout the night and watching movies and doing nothing. So I decided that I am going to bake a pizza at 3 a.m. in the night and then do nothing. So if you want to learn how I make my makeshift pizza with literally from scratch with every ingredient that is available at home, then please do keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to knead the dough. What I use for my already have the stuff that I need in here. So what I use for my dough is basically very simple. Since this is going to be a pizza for one, I use flour and then I add some salt, some sugar, white oil, and then a bit of yogurt. The reason why I use yogurt is because it makes the pizza really soft, the pizza base. So that's why I use the yogurt. And since we are not using any releasing agent, that's why I use baking powder. Now of course you can use yeast, but then again if you're watching Netflix and some TV series in the night and you're really craving pizza and you're scared that if you order in you might get corona, so you will probably not add yeast to your pizza and make it better. So in that case a baking powder is really good. You can also add some baking soda just to make it rise, but the kind of mood that I am in right now, I just want some makeshift pizza dough with that I can just, to which I can add some topping and can basically have, so I'll use having some baking soda will make do. So that's what I'll do. I think I added the yogurt. I think the yogurt that I added is a bit more, so I need to add a bit of more flour. I'll come back with a bit more flour. Okay, so my dough is done. This is how it looks. What I'm going to do, what we really need to do is we need to let it rest. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to cover it and I'm just going to let it rest. Okay, so this is it covered and I'm going to leave it at that. In the meanwhile, I'm going to chop some tomatoes and some garlic, and that will help in making the sauce and also the chicken that I'm going to cook in the sauce. So it's good if you have bell peppers and stuff and like that, but I have legit given up. This quarantine is really taking such a toll on me. So I just need some, do you ever feel like if you're someone who keeps awake at night up late, do you ever feel like you really need a pick-me-up kind of a food, and you have this craving? So when you want to satisfy that craving, you really do not go fancy, right? You just need some wholesome, fulfilling food. So that is what this makeshift pizza is for me. Okay, I have some yogurt here. So that is what this makeshift pizza is for me. Let me know in the comment section down below how your quarantine is going. I kind of feel like there's no end to it in here. So yeah, coming back to my pizza, I'm going to chop some tomatoes and some garlic. Well, it was very tiring, but I feel very fulfilled. So let's see how it turned out. This is how it looks. So good. It's so good. I can't begin to tell you how good it is. And even though this is not your foolproof pizza recipe, but trust me, this is going to fulfill your pizza craving at 3 a.m. in the night. It took me 45 minutes to make with all the prep and everything. It is just so good. And I think it's much healthier than store-bought pizza. It is so nice. It's a bit salty, a bit sweet. And you know, the chicken with all the flavor of the tomato sauce and the cheese, it's just divine. It might not look like a great pizza, but it sure tastes like an amazing pizza. But if you need a foolproof pizza recipe that also looks like a great pizza, let me know. Here's the picture of one I made. That, please let me know. Don't forget to comment down below telling me what is your midnight, late night, early morning food craving, and what else. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, switch on the bell icon, and hit the like button. It will just make my day and my quarantine a lot better. So make sure that you do that, and I'll see you soon. Bye.